So the last few years have definitely been pretty strange. We've all been cooped up in our homes, working from home, and a lot of people have been reassessing whether or not they want to keep their standard 9 to 5. So a lot of people are turning to freelancing, sites like Fiverr, to make money online, to make money on Fiverr, and to really grow streams of income that would allow them to break away from the standard 9 to 5 or being tied down to one place. And you know, myself included, the past year or two, I've been working from home, and fortunately I've been able to grow this YouTube channel and my Fiverr business, and at some point, you know, I've kind of got the itch to eventually work from a beach somewhere. Like, who wouldn't love to just be on the beach in the Bahamas, a laptop on your lap, making money, looking at the ocean with a nice cold drink in the sand beside you? Sounds pretty awesome. And you know, I don't think I'm the only one, because I read a lot of articles online about companies loosening restrictions of their work from anywhere policies, and even countries like Bermuda or Indonesia making it a lot easier for freelancers or people who can work from anywhere, you know, digital nomads, to go to those countries and work. They're really turning them into freelance paradises and, you know, digital nomad paradises, which is really cool. So as part of my eventual goal of being able to work from a beautiful beach somewhere, I have a very special unboxing video for you today. This is a Rocksolar Nomad, and it was sent over to me today from Rocksolar, the company. They're actually today's video sponsor, and were gracious enough to send me over a unit to unbox, test, and review on this channel. So thank you so much. So I'm gonna do just that. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox this device, give you my thoughts on it, and talk about how this might be a great option to enable freelancers and digital nomads to truly work from anywhere. And just before I crack this bad boy open, please make sure you're subscribed to this channel and hit the notification bell. I put out videos every week aimed at helping you make more money online. So if you want to make sure you don't miss a video, make sure you're subscribed. All right, got my knife. Let's cut this bad boy open. Okay. All right, so this is it. The Rocksolar Nomad portable power station. So this is a 120,000 milliamp hour portable battery. It's got 3 AC outlets and 3 different USB outlets. So you can really take this with you anywhere and power your devices. You know, as a freelancer, I was thinking this would be cool to power laptops, iPads. If you wanted to do kind of YouTube videos remote, you could power lighting and camera setups with this. I think this is a pretty versatile tool, and I'm excited to test it out. So I'm gonna actually pull this out of the box so you can see what it actually looks like now. Right. Let's see this up there. So what do we got here? We got some more styrofoam, okay. We got a little box here, yeah, for all the different charging cables. So one of the cool things about this thing that I read on the Amazon listing is you can charge it from a car cigarette lighter charger. You know, you got your standard wall charger, and you can actually hook this thing up to a portable solar panel. So if you're outside or you're gonna be away or remote for an extended period of time, it'll probably be extremely slow to charge it that way, but you can actually charge this thing from solar, which is really cool. And now for the device. Okay, so this thing's about 11 pounds, so if you saw, not too hard to carry around. You know, it's definitely got some heft to it, but this is it. Small device, it's about 1 foot wide, I would say, maybe 6 inches tall, 6 inches deep. Not super big. You got your 12 volt here, so you can charge this thing in your car. You got 3 AC outlets, 3 USB, kind of your standard DC outputs, and then just some, you know, LEDs on the top to show, I assume, charge and things like that. So yeah, this is the Rocksolar Nomad. It was sent to me from Rocksolar. I'm gonna be testing this out over the next couple weeks. You know, might go out into the wilderness somewhere to see how it actually stacks up for freelancers or digital nomads actually looking to work remote. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to see how this thing does. So yeah, Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for updates on how this unit does in my tests. And yeah, happy freelancing. And until next time, cheers.